Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Crypto Risers here at Zak's Traders Cafe for Friday the 22nd of March. Starting off with Ampleforth, and here you can see decent progress within this rising trend channel in place since the beginning of November. Recent intraday support around the $6 mark, and while we're above that, looking for $9, hopefully, or maybe even $9.20 by the first week of April, or even sooner than that. Moving on to Bora, and here, nice picture as well. We've got the market within a rising trend channel that's been in place since back in basically the start of September. Top of the channel currently heading towards 28 cents, and that's valid as an upside while we remain above the 50-day line in the floor of the channel, just around the 17 cents mark. The next situation seems to be also one to watch in terms of it being on the front foot. Cream Finance. Here we've got the market just breaking out there through the neckline resistance around $24. Ideally, we get an end of day close above, or a weekly close above that today, and we head up towards the top of that rising trend channel from July last year as high as $33. This stage, Eddie, well below $20, and the floor of the channel really delaying the upside scenario. Nice picture is painted at the current, or the next stock, the next crypto rather, Dow Maker. Here you can see that we've hit the top of that rising trend channel. We were looking to hit at around the $2.80 mark. Above that, we're looking for a new leg to the upside, maybe as high as $4.20, but obviously in the meantime there's been a bit of a retracement, and we'd like to see this market stay above the $1.90 area, which was the pre-breakout resistance zone. Next situation coming up, and here you can see that Dexe is broken out of this V-shaped bull flag. Nice resistance break there around $12.10, and above $12.10 looking for up to $17.50 over the next couple of weeks, and that's all within a rising trend channel from basically the end of October. The bulls are also having a look at the next market, which is Enzyme, and so we've had quite a spiky bit of price action there, rising trend channel since September, and heading up towards that $40 mark, hopefully by the end of next month, ideally probably by the end of this month, actually, the way things are going. Don't want to see an end of day close back below recent resistance around 26.70. That's probably the line in the sand for the bulls at the moment. The next situation is Fantom, and the beauty of this one is that we are rising at sort of accelerating type of way. The top of that channel there from back in November, heading for $1.60. We're looking for that maybe even as soon as the end of this month, while we remain above recent resistance around 98 cents. The next market is also a bullish situation in terms of having a turnaround. We've got neckline resistance around the 1.5 cents level. Above that on a weekly close basis, then we're looking for up to 2.5 cents maybe by the end of next month. But a nice little consolidation there. It looks like a mid-move consolidation ahead of a push to the upside. Also helpful that we've had consolidation intraday above a rising 50-day line, showing the underlying strength here, at least in theory. We were revisiting the next market, which is Nuls, and the picture here has been very bullish of late. We've hit the initial target we had there around 63 cents, and looking for that to be revisited. Above 63, we could actually have a move up to as high as 95 cents by the end of next month. Don't want to see this market back below the 45 cents support, intraday support, given the hopeful V-shaped bull flag breakout that we'll get on Nuls. The next market, living up to its name, I suppose, in some ways. We've got Rebel Bots being, I suppose, delivering a nice U-shaped handle, and the idea here is really above the 4.8 cents mark, looking for up to 9 cents by the end of next month, i.e. doubling. And ideally we stay on the right side of 4 cents itself ahead of that move to 9 cents, which would take this market back to where it was early last summer. The last two are next, and first one is Veritise, which I looked at earlier in the week. Here you can see that it's actually done what we wanted it to do, which was hit the top of that rising trend channel. That was around the 14.5 cents level. We're back towards the 50-day line and recent resistance around 8 cents, but at least while we're above 8 cents, looking for a retest of the 15 cents area on Veritise. Finishing off with a new name, and it comes in the form of ZBC. Here we've got this market near to that rising trend channel from back in December. That particular figure there around the 4.5 cents level. Looking for an end of day close above 4.5 cents to give us up to 6.6 cents maybe by the end of next month. We will need to stay above the 2.5 cents though in the meantime. That is and has been recent support. That's it for me today. More updates over the weekend.